So today we are talking today's stresses. So number one, tensile stresses. Na problem na ito na steel bar cross sectional area of 50 millimeters squared is a subjective to a tensile force of 10,000 Newton. So we have a given of P is equal to 10,000 Newton and A area cross sectional area is 50 millimeter squared. So the required is tensile stress. So the solution for tensile stress is tensile stress equals to P over 80 is equals to 10,000 over 50 plus 200 MPa. So second problem is compressive stress. So a concrete block with a cross-sectional area of 0.2 meters squared supports a load of 50,000 Newton. So find the compressive stress. So ang given is na P is equals to 50,000 Newton. So atong cross-sectional area is 0.2 meters squared. Atong required is compressive stress. So solution natin is compressive stress is SC is equals to P over AC. So itong input ang given na 50,000 na P over 0.2 na area na ito sa is 250,000 Pascal. So ito siya nikan sa kilopascal. Ito sa 250 kilopascal. So ito number 10 na tawag na single shear. So a bolt with a diameter of 10 mm is in a single shear under a force of 8,000 Newton. So ito given sa single shear. So ito diameter na 10 mm. So itong force 8,000. So ang record nato is single shear. Ang solusyon nato sa ganis na tayo una to find out as area. So ito is ito sa area is equals to 5 d squared over 4. So natay diameter natin, yung input ng 10. So itong area is 58.54 mm squared. So ang hindi na pala single shear. So itong total single shear is 8 over AS equals to 8,000 na force over 78.54 na area. So ito na siya is 1,101.86 MPa. So itong pang dapat stresses is tension in solid shaft. A solid shaft with the diameter of 50 mm concept third of 1,000 Newton 1,000 Newton meter. So ito given na torsion na third na 1,000 Newton meter. Ito siya convert to Newton millimeter. So natay 1 million Newton millimeter. So itong diameter is 50 mm. So itong record is solid shaft. So ang formula of solid shaft is 16 times d over 5 cubic diameter. So ito yung mga given na 16 times 1 million over 5 50 cubic. So ang atong tayo pag times na 16 times 1 million natin 16 million over 5 times 50 cubic natin 392 So ang atong answer is 40.74 gigapascal. So ang atong last is natay bearing stress. Atong bearing stress natay giving diameter 20 mm and T is 10 mm and atong force is 200 Newton. So ang atong record diri is stress bearing. So solution na to, kung ano ito na area bearing is plus D times T is equals to 20 times 10 plus 200 mm squared. So ang atong solution sa SB sa stress bearing natay force over area. So 20,000 Newton over 200 mm natay 100 megapascal. Kami found on this paper sa number 26, 20 kilowatts motor running at 1 to RPM drives 400 mm diameter pulling at a belt tension ratio of 2.4. If the belt's right side tension is only 1 Newton, so determine the transmission efficiency. So we have A is 97.97 efficiency. So B is 54.58 efficiency, C is 85.66 efficiency, and D is 86.55 efficiency. So ano sila done is 87.97 efficiency. Ito A. So ito yung solution na guys. So we have efficiency is equals to P output and P input is equals to natay ko sa P output solution na pi n over 30 times P over 2 times F1 minus F2. Nanon tayo P input na may 20 kilonewton. So ito siya times mo siyang 20,000. So ito yun po lang kung given na tayo 1 to pi over 30 and times 0.40 over 2 times 1 to minus 1 to over 2.4. So ito answer is 0.37. So ito siya na times sa 100 times sa 100 ito answer is 87.97%. So ito 87 is a right-handed single twin hardened steel core as a solar rating of 2.25 kilowatts at 680 RPM when meshed with 48-tooth casting gear. The axial pitch of the worm is 25 mm. So the worm pressure angle is 14.5 angle. So and the pitch diameter of the worm is 100 mm. So the coefficient of the pressure is 0.085. So A, 241 mm, B is 142 mm, C is 412 mm, and D is 124 mm. So ang ito naman is A, 241 mm. Ito siya di ko ay ito solution na tangent theta is equals to length over pi dw is equals to P over pi dw plus 25 over pi 100 is equals to 0.07758. So ang ito ko is dg. Na naman tayo dw na 100. So ito ko is dg. So dg over dw times P over pi. So ito siyang input at given na tayo 48 over 1 times 25 over 5. So itong dg is 381.97 mm. So ito yung support na na C is equals to dw plus dg over 2. Kaya input ito nung given na tayo dw na 100 plus dg na to is 381.97 mm. So ito answer is 241 mm. Number 88 is which of the following is the benefit in the using retaining as a surface hardening process for algal states. So A, improvement of endurance strength 50 efficiency over or more. So B is improvement of endurance strength less than 50%. So C is improvement of endurance strength more than 50%. And D is 80% improvement on the endurance strength. So ang answer is A, improvement of endurance strength 50% or more. So 29 is 200 strength tooth bevel pinion having 14 feet and diameter pitch of 60 inches. Drives a 42 feet gear. The two shafts are at right angles and in the same plane. So find the pitch angle of the pinion. So I have an A of 18.4 degree and 20 angle. So B sa C is 14.5 angle. Sa D is 20.5 angle. So ito ang answer na is A, 18.40 angle. So ito ang solution na is theta is equals to tangent negative 1 times TP over TG. So, inverse tangent times 14.42. So, ang answer is 18.4 degree. So, itong last number is 90. A 3-foot feet worm has a lead angle of 17 angle and a pitch diameter of 2.2802 inches. So, find the center distance with the worm is mated with a wheel of 48 feet. So A is 6.72 inches B 7.26 inches, C 6.27 inches, and D 7.62 inches. So, ang atong answer is A, 6.72 inches. So, ito siguro sa BG is equals to PG over DW times DW tangent theta is equals to. Ito yung input ang atong given na 48 over 3 na DW times atong DW is 2.2802 tangent hanggang 17 is equals to 11.154 inches at ay BG. Alam tayo DW na 2.2802. So, C is equals to DW plus BG over 2. Yung DW is 2.282 plus 11.154 BG over 2. At answer na 6.72 inches.